I started working at Minnich because I wanted to change. I'm Shawn McLaren, West Coast Sales Manager for Minnich Manufacturing. Well, I've been working at Minnich since 2017. Came in as a shipper, used to work in the car field, and I wanted to try something new. Since then, I've worked in the machine shop, I've built vibrators, I've helped in drill department, paint department, anything I can get my hands on. So my states are going to be the greater Northwest, including Oregon, Washington, Colorado, and I'm going to come back over to North Dakota and South Dakota too. Been married to my wife for 5 years. I have 2 girls, 10 and 12. One is a big-time soccer player. That's what she likes to do for fun. My other daughter, she loves to draw, music, things like that. We go to football games together. The girls like to go to the racetrack with me because I like to do photography at racetracks, so the girls love to go and hang out. Favorite driver was Dale Earnhardt Jr. until he retired. Now I like to follow Denny Hamlin. Anything that's got an engine, really. That's my fun stuff. One of our best places we ever visited, me and my wife, we went to Europe. So we went to Italy, Spain, and France to see all the old buildings and artwork and statues. The best thing about working at Minnich is the team and family atmosphere. From the time I started working here, it's always been about camaraderie, teamwork, and we're all working towards the same goal, and it seems to work great. And they care about their people. That is my favorite thing. Barbecue. I love food, of course. Nah, damn, I shouldn't say. All right, cut. Oh yeah.